All right, this will be the elevator at JCPenney, Mall at Robinson, Pennsylvania. We got ourselves a Kona, I'm pretty sure. Actually, I'm pretty sure it's a Schindler because of that. Got ourselves innovation decorator. Please go on that. All right. Just interested in elevators. Here you go, you have a going. We'll head downstairs. And we'll get a cab view. Pretty nice elevator. Reminds me a lot of the one at Polaris, just with innovation decorator buttons. Your indicator, your certificate, 3,500 pound capacity. And there are your buttons. I'm gonna try to end this back up on the second floor. You coming up?
Yeah.
Come on in.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm just interested in elevators.
Oh, hey, you do what you want.
All right, let's hit the motor.
Got it?
Yep.
All right.
Here you go, you have a good one.
You too.
There's your button. Oh, I see why. The up escalator's broken. I like the old elevator sign there. I've not seen that one before. And that'll be it. Thank you.